buddy, here are the Stone Ridge heat pumps. At least that's what they're
Famous heat pumps in New York. The Ruud was just running, it froze up a little bit right there.
Ruud heat pump. It's
You can see right there where it defrosted.
so many times that there's just multiple layers
Of ice. It's a 2019 14 SEER, 2 ton. I think I might have said 3.5 or 2.5 ton in my last video. I'll make sure to correct that. And this, as you know, it is the 1997 2-ton York, I think. Yeah, 2 ton. Unfortunately, hasn't been on, so no defrost videos, but maybe it'll come on later tonight.
Visco reciprocating compressor. Nope, out of focus. There it is.
And the Ducane. Nice and warm. It's in the low 30s right now. The only unit that's not up on riser is New York.
And then what is
Interestingly
it?
enough,
Console, right?
Ducane.
Ducane?
I don't think I showed the data. Or maybe I did. Not sure. But there it is anyway. And over there is an Armstrong air. I think that one's a straight cool unit though. Pretty sweet. That'll be it.